Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to compare iQOO Neo 7 versus iQOO Neo 6 with full specifications like display, design, performance, Antutu benchmarks, and price. And are going to know which is the best smartphone for you. So friends, please watch the entire video and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Let's start with a display comparison. In a comparison of screen size, iQOO Neo 7 has a 6.78 inches screen, and the iQOO Neo 6 has a 6.62 inches screen. If you look at the display type, both phones comes with an Amoled display. In the resolution, both phones comes with a full HD plus resolution. iQOO Neo 7 has 388 pixels density, while the iQOO Neo 6 has 398 pixels. In the aspect ratio, both phones are equally comes with a 20:9 ratio. In a comparison of screen to body ratio, iQOO Neo 7 has 87.6% and iQOO Neo 6 has 86.6%. In a refresh rate comparison, both phones supports up to 120 Hz higher refresh rate. iQOO Neo 7 comes with SHOT Sensation display protection, and the iQOO Neo 6 also comes with SHOT Sensation display protection. Let's make a design comparison between these two phones. Looking at these two phones' physical height, iQOO Neo 7 has 164.8 mm, while the iQOO Neo 6 has 163 mm. iQOO Neo 7 has 76.9 mm in the width, while the iQOO Neo 6 has 76.2 mm width. iQOO Neo 7 has 8.6 mm in the thickness, while the iQOO Neo 6 has 8.5 mm thickness. Looking at these two phones' weight, iQOO Neo 7 has 193 grams, while the iQOO Neo 6 has 190 grams. If you look at the colors of these two phones, iQOO Neo 7 comes with two different colors, and the iQOO Neo 6 also comes with two different colors. Now let us compare about the camera and its features. iQOO Neo 7 has a triple camera setup, including 64 megapixels primary lens with OIS support, 2 megapixels depth camera, and 2 megapixels macro camera. iQOO Neo 6 also has triple camera setup, with 64 megapixels main camera with OIS support, 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and 2 megapixels macro camera. If you look at the video resolution of these phones, iQOO Neo 7 supports up to 4K resolution at 30 FPS, and the iQOO Neo 6 also supports up to 4K resolution at 30 FPS. In a comparison of front camera, iQOO Neo 7 comes with 16 megapixels selfie camera, with a full HD video resolution at 30 FPS. And the iQOO Neo 6 also comes with 16 megapixels selfie camera, with a full HD video resolution at 30 FPS. Now let's do the hardware comparison. Looking at the processor of both phones, iQOO Neo 7 powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset, while the iQOO Neo 6 powered by Snapdragon 870 chipset. In a CPU comparison, iQOO Neo 7 supports up to octa-core 3.1 GHz clock speed, while the iQOO Neo 6 supports up to octa-core 3.2 GHz clock speed. In the GPU comparison, iQOO Neo 7 comes with Mali G610, while the iQOO Neo 6 comes with Adreno 650. Let's compare the operating system. iQOO Neo 7 comes with a Funtouch OS-based Android 13 operating system, while the iQOO Neo 6 comes with a Funtouch OS-based Android 12 operating system. Friends, let's compare the storage. iQOO Neo 7 comes in two variants: 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, and 12GB RAM with 256GB storage. And the iQOO Neo 6 also comes in two variants: 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, and 12GB RAM with 256GB storage. Both these phones does not comes with the memory card slot. Let's check out the battery between these two phones. The battery capacity in iQOO Neo 7 has 5000 mAh, and in the iQOO Neo 6 has 4700 mAh. iQOO Neo 7 supports 120 watts fast charge, while the iQOO Neo 6 supports 80 watts fast charge. Now let's compare the rest of the connectivity and features in these phones. Both these phones comes with an USB Type-C port. Both these phones comes with a 3.5mm audio jack. Both these phones doesn't have NFC support. Both these phones comes with an IR blaster. Both these phones supports 5G network. Both these phones comes with under-display fingerprint sensor. iQOO Neo 7 comes with Bluetooth 5.3 version, while the iQOO Neo 6 comes with Bluetooth 5.2 version. Let's take a look on the benchmarks. In Antutu benchmark score comparison, iQOO Neo 7 has scored 850,161, while the iQOO Neo 6 has scored 745,060. Now let's compare price. If you look at the iQOO Neo 7, the 8GB 128GB variant is priced at $29,999 and the 12GB 256GB variant is priced at $33,999. iQOO Neo 6, the 8GB 128GB variant is priced at $29,999 and the 12GB 256GB variant is priced at $33,999. Friends, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more smartphone comparison videos.